guys, welcome to my channel. I was tagged by the very lovely Lena Lux Life to do Mel and Melbourne's What's Your Luxury Name tag. Now let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Tarina, and welcome back if you're already part of our Lux Handbag Lover family. I put out videos every Tuesday and Saturday about luxury fashion, travel, and lifestyle. If you're a Lux lover too, I'd really appreciate if you would join me here by subscribing to my channel and hit that like button down below. Also, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. I also really love meeting other Lux lovers and YouTubers out there, and I want to support anyone else who's into this community, so please add me on Instagram and here on YouTube. I'd really love to be friends and connect and see what you're up to. Alright, so I was tagged by the very amazing Lena Lux Life to do this tag. If you haven't seen her video or don't follow her already, I will link her in the description box below. She's a very sweet, amazing YouTuber here. This tag, the What's Your Luxury Name tag, was originally started by Mel and Melbourne. And so if you don't know who she is, she's a very amazing luxury YouTuber here in the community. So if you don't know her, again, I will link her channel in the description box below and her video. She created this tag. It's pretty creative. So the whole idea behind this tag is for you to take your first name or YouTube name, to take a look in your closet and find items from specific brands or items that start with each letter of your name. So I thought this was really interesting. It was a bit difficult for me, to be honest. I had to dip my toes into the high street and other items category, so I didn't have every single item of my name be a luxury item. So I'm really excited to share my items with all of you today. I'd also like to personally tag a number of amazing ladies in this community, so I will link them in the description box below. So I would love all of them, if they're able to do this tag. I'm sure a number of them have already done it or been asked. And if I didn't tag you, but you're interested in doing it, please join along. Again, this is for anyone and everyone who wants to participate. It's just a fun way to share and, get connected and learn a little bit more about each person. Okay, so when choosing my name, I decided to go with my first name, which is Tarina, T-A-R-I-N-A. So again, really excited to show you my pieces, and it is a mix of different categories and types of items. So the first letter being T, I went for a Twilly. So this is an Hermes Twilly. It is extremely gorgeous. So if you haven't seen my previous video, my Hermes Birkin or Kelly unboxing, I did unbox one of those bags, so I will link it up here for you to check out if you haven't. I also unboxed this Twilly, and it's extremely gorgeous. It's in this very vibrant pink color. It has Hermes Paris in writing here, and it has images of women shopping. It's gorgeous. Like I said, there are close-up photos and some B-roll in that previous video if you want to take a look at this item closer. But I went for an Hermes Twilly for T. The next letter in my first name is A. So when choosing the item, I went for the Gucci Ace sneakers. So this is also an item that I previously shared in one of my videos. So I recently did a designer shoe collection video. Again, if you haven't seen that, I will link that up here for you to check out as well. So these Gucci Ace sneakers are super cute. I shared a little bit more. They do have the standard classic Gucci green and red stripe with the gold B detail. And what's really cool about these that I think makes it extra special is the back. So they have these really cool, vibrant green and red metallic detail. So as I shared in my previous video, if someone's behind you, it's a pretty cool detail to see that red and green. It really reminds me of Christmas, which is one of my favorite holidays. So for A, I went for the Ace sneakers from Gucci. The next letter in my first name is R. So this is where I had a little bit of trouble. I looked around in my closet. I couldn't find a luxury item that started with R or a brand R that I have in my closet. So I did have to go into the high street category for this. And the item that I chose was this blouse. So this blouse is from River Island. It's really cute. I will insert a photo of me wearing this here. I wore this actually on a trip to Paris when my husband and I went on our honeymoon, and I got to do the dream shopping experience at Chanel on Rue Cambon. It was just a dream-like experience. So this is the blouse that I am wearing in that photo. Again, super blessed and had an amazing time shopping there, and the cherry on top of taking the photo on that famous staircase. So for R, I'm going with this River Island blouse, which is really, really cute. The next letter in my first name is I. And again, I had a little bit of difficulty finding a luxury item in my closet. So I had to get creative on this one. And this is also a clothing piece. And this is actually a faux fur, this is actually a faux leather jacket from a brand called Ingni. It's I-N-G-N-I. And so this is actually a really cool faux leather jacket. I actually got this on a trip to Japan. And so I've actually never heard of this brand before. I don't have any other items. I just got it on my trip to Japan. But this has been a really cool faux leather jacket for me. What I really like about this piece in particular and shopping in Japan is the sizing. So again, I am pretty petite. I'm only 5'3", and a problem area is that my arms and my legs are shorter than normal. So typically long sleeve jackets, in the United States, and pants, I typically have to get them altered to shorten them. So that's something that I really liked about this faux leather jacket and getting it in Japan, is everything was already petite with the sleeve lengths a little shorter. So this is my item for I. The next letter in my first name is N. So again, had to get a bit creative on this one and decided to choose these ski pants. So this is from North Face. And so if you don't know, they are an active lifestyle brand, very like hiking and skiing and winter jackets for the weather. They keep you nice and warm and protected. So this, as I mentioned, these are ski pants from North Face. They are really well made, again, wick the water, and the snow when you're on the mountain and in the cold. So for N, I went for these ski pants from North Face. And the last letter of my first name is A. So going back to the letter A, again, looked around, didn't have any other luxury pieces that caught my eye when I was looking in my closet. So I had to get creative. And the last A of my name, I went for, and this is a bit heavy, the Away luggage suitcase. So this is their rolling suitcase in the blush pink. It is super well made. I've taken it on a number of trips abroad and local, and it's done really, really well. So I really like this Away luggage piece. The one really cool benefit and feature of the Away luggage suitcases are the section in the back. So let me scoot over here. So there is a section where you can, and there's a slot for a charger for your phone. So this part flips up and you can have a charger so that you don't run out of juice when you're traveling, and you can charge your phone. There is a USB section there as well, so you can just charge it, get it ready to go. When you're in the airport, you're all ready and set for your battery life. So that's something that I really like. I actually recently got this Away luggage suitcase, I would say maybe a year or a year and a half ago now. As I said, took it on a number of trips, and it's done really, really well so far. Very durable. It has the 4 rolling feet, so it's very convenient and really great. There are a number of benefits to using the Away suitcase, and blush pink. I mean, it's super, super, super cute. So those are the current items in my closet that represent my name by letter. What do you think? After doing this tag, it really got me thinking. Mel, thanks for creating this tag. It was super fun. Now I'm like, oh, I need to get more luxury pieces, at least to have one for each letter of my name. Is that bad? Do I have a problem? Maybe so, but again, thanks so much, Mel, for making this tag and creating it. And thank you so much to Lena from Lena Lux Life for tagging me. Again, she is amazing and really great. So I will link, again, both of them down in the description box below. And final reminder that there are 2 days left to submit your questions for my next Q&A video. So that will be my video that I will release this Saturday. So go ahead, if you haven't already, you can also submit a question here on this video in the comment section down below. Or if you want to head over to my Instagram, I do have a story that you can submit your question through my story. Or if you want to submit a question on my last photo, whichever avenue works best for you, and want to ask me anything, again, it can be personal, it can be on the luxury side. Definitely go ahead. I'd love to hear your questions. I am taking questions until Thursday, July 23rd at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. And thank you to everyone who's already asked me questions. I already have a really good list. So thank you all, and I'm really excited to share. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you join me in my next one. Thanks so much and have a great day.